Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add or maintain leading zeros in Excel. Have you ever tried to type a number that has zeros at the beginning and the zeros disappear immediately after typing? Well, if that is the case, this tutorial is for you. So we are going to learn 3 ways on how to add or maintain leading zeros. 1. Using the text format. 2. Using an apostrophe. And 3. Using the custom format. So make sure you stick around till the end and get to learn about each of them. On to the first way, using the text format. So I'll type in numbers here before formatting, and you will see that the zeros disappear immediately after typing 067. So we are going to use the text format to maintain the leading zeros, and for this to work you need to format your cells before typing. So select your cells, then right click, then go to format cells, then under number go to text and then click OK. So if we type right now with zeros at the beginning, you can see the zeros are being maintained. So the second method is using an apostrophe, and what you need to do is just type in apostrophe at the beginning, then type in your numbers. Okay, so this is the shortest method and the easiest. That's it. The third method is using the custom format. So this applies whereby you have already typed in your values and you need to add zeros at the beginning. So let me just copy this and paste here so that you can get to see the difference before formatting and after formatting. So what you need to do is to select the cells, then right click, then click format, then under number click custom, then click this 0. So the number of here we are going to input zeros, and the number of zeros you input here will determine the number of digits that you will have here. Okay, so for example, let's put in 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, then click OK. So you can see each of these numbers has 4 digits. Okay, and zeros have been added at the beginning except this one because this number has 4 digits already. So let me just show you an example for this method so that you can clearly understand. So select your cells and then right click, then go to format cells, then under number click custom, then click 0. So in this case, let's input 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Remember I told you the number of zeros you input here will determine the number of digits you will have here. So once you're done, click OK. So you can see each of these numbers has 6 digits and the zeros have been added at the beginning. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.